welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about 9 important factors to consider when developing a website. It's 2021 guide. If you are a business owner and you are still invisible on the internet, creating a website should really be a part of your business plan. Today, the internet is an indispensable tool for all the business people, and online communication with the potential users can significantly improve your business. So, why do you need it? It does not matter what the shape of your activity is. It can be selling, providing services, or anything else. It is essential that you have one so that people can find you when they need your services or the product you provide. Okay, now some are the basic things that everyone should have. It represents you or your business, so it needs to prevent you as well as possible. So the design itself, appearance is very important, but there are factors that are more important than the design itself, and the first one comes here is URL. It is the most important atom when building a building and planning it. The address must be such that it makes sense of your business. It should not be something randomly put and by just copying or paraphrasing someone's is not. It should not be there. The next one point come here is sitemap, that is structure. When before starting a design, it is best to make the correct structure. It is very important to design a good structure so that the user who views it would not confused with the content and the topic. It should be like a branched pyramid. From the top it should be a home page, and the down some categories or atoms you have mentioned, so that everything has some logical meaning and so that the information on the site flows in correct order. Okay, then the next one is reliable hosting. Don't neglect to the hosting part and set up a site somewhere where it is often unavailable. So avoid free hosting. Look for the hosting with the good customer support which is available 24 hours a day. Poor hosting will affect a site several ways. Slowing down can be frustrating for your visitors. Frequent non-availability and server errors are very bad manner, we can say. So just avoid that. The next one is key business information. The most common mistake people make is that a website is made available on your desire and what you like and not based on what others need. So don't don't post necessary things like a big page about it, inappropriate flash animations, music, and like whatnot. So what you need to pay attention to are key informations about the product and the content, contact information, and the location. Write a text that will show you a whole world with a dignity. Now, how to put a contact information is also a crucial part. We all know that contact information is most important for any business. This is why they must have a special section. Every visitor is most frustrated when they cannot find contact information. Okay. The sixth point come here is easy navigation. A sitemap is useless if you do not have easy and understandable navigation. So navigation should have its own category, and it is more necessary subcategories should mention there. The seventh part come here is security. Okay, now if you sell some product or the services over the internet, it should be desirable to raise the level of security for your site with SSL certificate. SSL will encrypt the communication between your site and the customer, which will protect information such as your credit card number and thus gain more trust from your customer. So however, there are many SSL certificates available from the reputed certificate authorities. So just go through it and look whatever suitable for you. Then integration with social media. Today there are large number of social medias network available, such as Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube. We are having this video, LinkedIn, Instagram, and whatnot. And you should have your presence on them. This means that your brand should have its site on many of these social networks as possible. So just make sure this thing. And the last one, I would not say the least, this is mobile version. Mobile phones and the tablet are necessary and being used to browse the internet. This is why you should pay a great attention to their adjustment. For example, if someone searches for a restaurant on the internet over a phone, it is very likely that they will also visit the restaurant they find. Therefore, it should be optimized for a different screens. In the past, the design was made especially for the computers and especially for the mobile phones. Today that has changed and the design is done universally for any device on the internet. Okay. So while concluding, I would like to say we believe that from this video you will understand the necessity of having a website is in the today's world, and as well as most important factors to consider. And remember, sometimes less is actually more. Okay, so if you haven't done yet, go there and just create your own website. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. And thank you so much. Have a good time.